Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 8th standard on practical geometry. In today's video, we'll see some special cases of quadrilaterals to be drawn. We have already done this in our previous exercises. Let's see exercise 7.5. Draw a square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Only one side is given, nothing else. No other angles, no other sides. But we know the property of a square. In square, all the sides are equal. So even though one side is given, all the sides are 5.1 and all the angles in the square are 90 degree. So let's first draw a rough diagram. The name given to it is READ. READ. Each side is 5.1 centimeter and each angle is 90 degree. Even though not given, we know the property of a square. So let's begin drawing the actual diagram. First we will draw a line segment of 5.1, 5 and then one line. That is 5.1. Let me name it as RE, which is equal to 5.1. Then we will take an angle of 90 degree. Mark it here. Draw a line segment connecting these 2 points. So this is 90 degree. At point E, we have to mark an angle of 90 degree. Draw a line passing through it. Now we know the distance in order to get D and A. That's also 5.1. Adjust the arc to 5.1. 5.1. From R you cut this line. From E you cut this line. So these 2 points are D and A. Connect these 2 points so as to get our square READ. Question number 2 and 3 you can try it by yourself. Question number 2 is similar to the third question of exercise 7.2. Question number 3 is similar to the fourth question of exercise 7.3. In both these questions they have not given the name. You can give your own name for the quadrilateral. Now let's see the fourth question of exercise 7.5. It says we have to draw a parallelogram OKAY where OK is equal to 5.5 and KA is 4.2. Is it unique? Is the next question. We'll draw the rough diagram. Now we'll name it as OKAY. OK given is 5.5 centimeter and KA is 4.2 centimeter. They have not given us any angle, isn't it? But we can get all the 4 sides because we know the property of the parallelogram. If this is 5.5, this is also 5.5. If this is 4.2, this is also 4.2. So how do we draw this without the angles? One way to do it is we can take our own angle at these 2 points. How? We know that the sum of the adjacent angle should always be equal to 180. So if I take here this as 60 degree, I have to take this as 120. So total it will give you 180. Or if I take this as say 50 degree, I can take this angle as 130 and we can have different combination. So is it unique? No, because if I take 60 and 120, you might draw it with 50 or 130, or you might draw this with 120 and this with 60, so on. But only thing care to be taken is the sum of these 2 adjacent angles should be equal to 180. This way you can try this by taking any angle, but it is not unique. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.